Flight 2 coming up over Fisk, rock your wings. Good rock. And you're going to be following the railroad tracks and monitor tower 1, correction, make a right turn to follow railroad tracks and, correction, right turn to follow Fisk Avenue. Make a right turn to follow Fisk Avenue and monitor tower 118.5, correction, 126.6.
Okay, so we got 3-6.
Yep.
Okay, I'm coming up again.
Yeah, somebody.
Team, left turn on Papa 2.
Yeah, somebody on final for 3-6 coming right in front of us.
Roger.
He's right there. Got him.
Yeah, I
Over the water.
I think they shut it down while the big stuff comes in, you know, for a second.
Yeah.
Okay, gas is on, mixture set. We got prop, flaps, and trim to go. Lights are all on. Good to go.
Wind 2903.
They can see that far out from the tower?
No, they have people all at Fisk and Ripon and all that.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, and trailers with binoculars and everything. Flaps 2.
Wisconsin left turn on Papa 2 if able.
I will make Papa 2, Wisconsin 31.
Terrible.
Welcome to Oshkosh.
Thanks guys, nice work.
Cessna flight beginning descent, runway 36 left, yellow dot, clear line.
See a yellow dot anywhere? And right in the middle. Got it, I think. And when you see a windsock, let me know.
I see orange and red. I don't know where the yellow's at.
Yellow right in the middle. It's hard to see.
Oh, got it.
Cessna flight to the south, beginning descent.
Oshkosh Tower, November 280, Charlie Fox, Marquetti Jet, over Fond du Lac, approaching. We're going to turn around, do a 180 and head for Warbird Island.
Marquetti Jet, report Warbird Island.
280, Charlie Fox, report Warbird.
Any windsock yet?
Got nothing.
Okay. Flaps full.
Wind 260 3.
Good morning, Oshkosh Tower. Blue T-34 is over Fond du Lac, inbound for
Warbird Island, we use caution for McKay Jets over the Warbird.
Copy that.
Dropped her in, boy.
Looking for the jet.
Nice job.
Right on the hill.
Cessna flight when able, left turn into the grass. Welcome to Oshkosh. And Cessna flight, follow the flagman in the parking.
Big forward, holding short at Papa 3, you ready?
Big forward, roger. Big forward, line up and wait, we're on 36 left.
Line up and wait, big forward.